Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the recovery menu. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to press and hold the home button and the back button together and keep holding them until the watch reboots. And once it does, you should see the Samsung logo on the screen, and under the logo it should say rebooting. And once it says rebooting, release the buttons and then keep pressing the home button until you enter the fast boot mode. So let's press and hold the home button and back button together. Keep holding them. Once the watch reboots, you see this message on the screen. Start pressing the button, and after a second or two, you should enter the boot menu. Okay. And here you can scroll through the menu by using the home button. Basically, you can press button to scroll through the menu like this. Scroll through the menu, select the option called recovery, this one, and then press and hold the button, the home button, to enter. And after a second or two, you should enter the recovery menu. Now, to scroll through this menu, use the back button, like that. Scroll through it, select the option called wipe data / factory reset, and then press the home button to confirm. Now, select the factory data reset by pressing the back button, and then press the home button to confirm. Once the wiping process is complete, select the reboot system now, and then press the home button to confirm. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, so once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.